Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this stunning approved used Audi Q2 Black Edition 35 TFSI. It comes dressed in the sleek Daytona grey, sure to turn heads when on the road, and at the time of this recording the vehicle has done 13,044 miles. Standing on 19-inch alloy wheels with the 10Y spoke design, making a bold statement with every turn. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full with just a press of a button. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather and cloth upholstery with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery, the iconic S embossed logo, and front centre armrest for extra support and comfort. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips, and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a variety of your favourite FM radio stations to choose from, connection to your mobile phone device, and a wide view of the navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. The MMI multimedia display going into Audi smartphone to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's USB port. Into Maps to help you easily find your desired destination with confidence and ease. Telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite FM radio stations. And in the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode, such as Dynamic for a more sporty drive or Comfort for those longer journeys. Below, you have the manual air conditioning, so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature of the cabin. Stay connected with the 12-volt and USB charging point. 2 cup holders for those morning coffees, finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox and electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to the car's profile, and the MMI control pad to the multimedia display. This approved used Audi Q2 is now available and on site. For more information, give our sales team a call, who'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.